What's cracking, guys? Sorry if my eye is a little red. I just accidentally punched myself in the eye. I'm not kidding, and I don't know how that happened, but huy, mahirap ang buhay talaga, diba? Basta anyway, we're going to the beautiful municipality of Amadeo. It's just south of the popular tourist destination Tagaytay, and it's not necessarily a well-known place in and of itself, but it is regarded as the coffee capital of the Philippines, and you know how I feel about coffee, so it already holds a special place in my heart. But the reason we are here today is actually because we are going to look at a farm lot. I want to pursue my dream of becoming a farmer by starting to look at some lots for sale here in the Calabar Zone area. So, tada. All right, so slight update. I arrived 15 minutes early, as I always do for appointments, and my contact is delayed an hour. So that's how it goes. That's life dito sa Pilipinas, diba? So, anywho, I'm gonna jam on up to Tagaytay, maybe get some coffee, see if I can check out the view. You know, tambay lang. So just a fun little trip down memory lane, for those of you who don't know me personally. These buildings behind us, that's where Aicy and I stayed on our third date, like 4 years ago. So our first date was in Taiwan, our second date was in Singapore, and our third date was here in Tagaytay. So there you go, a little history lesson for y'all. So usually at the various Starbucks locations in Tagaytay, there's a beautiful view that is worth the trip alone, but unfortunately today it's all volcanic smog, so I guess Taal has been making some noise again lately, and there's some volcanic smog in the area. It kind of looks like fog, like from where I'm from in San Francisco, except a little more toxic to breathe. All right, so finally, after 2 hours, I met up with my contacts that own or represent the land. So we're driving there right now. I'm following them. Doon sa moto. So yeah, hopefully it'll be a worthwhile trip. So grabe, these little barangay roads are like so scary in a car. They're really designed for like motorbike, but yeah, we're deep off the main road now, but this is a beautiful area. I can't wait to see the actual lots. So you guys saw the lots. There's actually like 3 or 4 lots right next to each other in that main area, and it looks like a perfect area. Like, it seems like the infrastructure is gonna be decent enough as far as the roads. It's on a slope, gentle slope, so there's not gonna be any flooding area. There's some great trees in the surrounding area for a little bit of shade and peaceful, relaxing vibes. And the lot size is perfect. It's about 1,000 square meters, and it's right on the road there, which is amazing. And I know everyone likes to know about cost and details. How much po? How much po? So the Facebook ad said 1,900 per square meter, but then, you know, they did the old bait and switch. When I got there, it was 2,200 per square meter. which is still pretty good from the other prices I've seen in the area. So it actually seems like a pretty good value. So I think for that 1,000 meter lot, the total price would come out to 2,200,000, or about 44,000 US dollars. So I mean, it's not nothing, but it is a good value. And you know, lots and houses, everything sells so quick here. So I mean, the property market is crazy here in Philippines. I've been looking at condos over the years. Now I'm looking more at like farm lots. So I was a little bit confused about the title situation. Apparently it's in the process of getting titled. So it didn't make sense to me, but I'm not suggesting that it's shady or not legit. It's just I don't understand the whole process here, but I need to find out more about that, obviously, if I were to pursue it further. So anyways, that was a little look at a farm lot here in Amadeo, Cavite. So yeah, Aicy just called and I got the emergency alert on my phone. So ang Taal Volcano ay itinaas na sa alert level 3. Asahan ang mga pinglindol-dulot ng pagdok ng bulkan. Mag-ingat ang sumunod sa abiso sa evacuation. Grabe talaga. It's more fun in the Philippines. Saan si Luna?
Sa park.
Ah, sa park. Sige.
Making dinner.
Well, just keep an eye on the air, huh? Because I think maybe she shouldn't be breathing the air if it gets worse, but it looks okay right now. Grabe, another emergency alert. Ano na? Ano na? Hello, magandang hapon, ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, Sir Michael.
How are you?
Are you available to call my number? Is it okay?
Yeah, syempre. Yeah, tapos na sa work ko.
Alright, thank you so much. So, Sir Michael, just to clarify something in regards to the numbers. So, did you receive already the tax declaration that I already sent to you by messenger?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, is it clear? Did you read the numbers and everything?
Yeah, I mean, it's clear as far as like the information on it, but it's my first time seeing that form, so yeah.
Yeah, so those are the things that you need if you are going to registry of deeds. So basically, I would like to actually tell to you that the land that was available are already being reserved. So for example, the one that we see based.
Right. So the one with maraming kahoy pa.
Something as if you have planned to reserve some lot, or to, if you already checked the documents in the registry of deeds, and if you want to pursue in buying the lands.
No, pero mabilis nag-reserve mga yan, diba? So I knew that would happen because it's napakamura ang lupa. So okay, sige. Maraming salamat po. Ingat.
You're welcome. Maraming salamat din po. Goodbye.
Alright, bye-bye. Grabe, mabilis nag-reserve ang lot. Gusto ko. We'll see kung totoo yan o sales tactic yan.
Almost 3 years old.
3 years? Same siya. Alright, good afternoon everybody. So as you can see, we've been doing our due diligence on the legalities of buying and selling farm property. But today we are in the beautiful municipality of Tuy, Batangas. Malapit sa Nasugbo, maybe like 40 minutes past Tagaytay. So we're looking at another beautiful lot here. And this one looks amazing. It looks like ready to go. pretty clean and flat, so let's check it out. You hear the rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. You ready to be a farmer? Ah, so this is the lot over here. So Luna already loves it here because she found a friend. Hi, friend.
Hi.
So this would be the front right here. This is the frontage. And there's a private road. And there's water, kuryente, and mobile internet na lang. Pero magandang hangin din dito. So I just gotta find out why this is so cheap, because this seems like sulit talaga. Alright, so this place is absolutely amazing, and Kuya and Ate were very forthcoming with all the information. It all seems super straightforward and legit, and clear disclosure. So we're gonna go to the registry of deeds right now and check on the title, make sure clean title, pareho lang ang owner, ganyan. So tara! Alright, so now we are in the beautiful city of Cebu, about 20 minutes away from Tui. And this is the municipal hall behind us. We're gonna go check on the registry of deeds. Omna! Luna, can you carry the langka? Can you carry this whole langka? Mabigat? Mabigat, you carry this one? Sige na, you carry it.
It's healthy.
You can carry it. It's only 10 kilos. Luna, you like your new baby brother?
Yeah, cool.
Is he cute? Oh, you kiss baby brother? Kahit spiky siya?
Spiky baby brother.
Yeah, spiky baby brother. We love you, Lanka. Langa. We love you, Langa, Lanka.
What is that one?
It's Lanka. Alright guys, so it's like 5:30 p.m. The sun is going down. We just arrived back home, and a long but fruitful journey. Literally fruitful. As you saw, we got that huge 10 kilo langka or jackfruit. We got these señorita bananas. One thing I love about Philippines, there's like 4 different varieties of bananas you can find all the time. And there's several more you can find in certain parts, so take that, America, with your Cavendish. Char lang. Also, dragon fruit is back, stocked up, so I'm stoked on that. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed that look at the 2 different properties. Hey! You wanna come say hi to the vlog?
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Come on, you're gonna help me close the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
We're gonna say goodbye to everyone, and we're gonna say I hope you enjoyed checking out those 2 lots. I'm super stoked on that second one. Like, napakasulit ang presyo. It's like 600K lahat, all in. That's about $12,000 US. So it's a really good value. You wanna eat it? Okay.
That's a banana.
So yeah, I'm gonna research more about the title transfer requirements and all that. But if anyone has any like advice, tips, or some of your own experiences of things to watch out for or be aware of, definitely comment down below. So that's sort of like my next goal here in Philippines life. Have a successful farm. Kahit like medyo modest ang size. Alright guys, so I've been rambling long enough. Thank you guys so much. Luna, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say pakisab po.
Pakisab po.
Yan. Alright, see you guys next time. Peace out.